Welcome guys, no fancy intro today, just a big ass ribeye. With all the crazy stuff going on in the world today, this ribeye is a welcome distraction. You won't think about anything else for at least a couple hours. I'm telling you, this is delicious. Oh, I'm excited. It's around 2.5 pounds, yeah, only 2.5 pounds. So the first thing we're gonna do is season up this ribeye with one of my favorite steak rubs, one of my custom rubs. Very simple, only a few ingredients. I'll put those up on the screen right now. You generally want to coat all sides of this beautiful ribeye. And you can season this up before you heat the grill up so it can rest for a while. And you can put it in the fridge if you do it earlier, and that's fine too. Alright, on at 200 for about an hour. A ribeye like this is going to make you a better man. Or a better woman for that matter. This ribeye might even make you a better dog. Isn't that right, Booker? Alright, we're about halfway through. Flip this big guy over and put in a meat probe. Alright, we're in the 107 range. It is time to take this off and crank this up to 500. Alright, took a while to get up from 200 to 500. We're finally up to ramming speed, so we can finally put the steak back on and finish it off. Get that beautiful seared crust. Oh my gosh. Here we go. We're gonna do 3 minutes aside, and I think that'll probably do it. 3 minutes later, here we go. Woo. Woo. This thing is looking pretty. It's got a nice crust on it. Oh yeah, that's... Okay. So varying temperature a little bit, but we're getting close to that 120 or so. I'm gonna take it off early rather than later, so let's check this thing out. It's looking amazing. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. And the best way to finish off a good cut of meat like this is just with some nice sweet cream butter, softened and then mixed with some herbs. In this case, we're using parsley, but you could use a number of different herbs such as thyme, oregano. All right, we got the butter and parsley mixture melted all over this steak. It looks like the most delicious thing I've seen in a long time. I really can't wait to cut into this. Okay, we're finishing in the dark. Let's see what this baby looks like. Oh yeah. That's pretty perfect there, medium rare-ish. Honestly, I couldn't ask for better results, and I'm glad things went well. But this is how easy a reverse sear steak is. Just put it on low and slow, come up to around 100, 110 degrees, sear it for a few minutes on each side. I did let it rest just a little bit, and this is what we have in rewards, so. Whew! I couldn't ask for anything more. That rub is the perfect steak rub. I really love it. I'm gonna freeze frame it right now, put the recipe up again if you didn't catch it the first time. Overall, I'm just so excited that you can see this because I think it is just an amazing experience if you haven't taken a big 2.5 pound ribeye and just grilled it to perfection. Whether it's for yourself, a few of your friends or family, you're gonna love this, so give it a shot.